Yeah. Tell me about the Benjamins, baby. Now, what y'all wanna do? Wanna be ballers, shot callers, brawlers?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to first say thank you to all my new subscribers. I see y'all. Okay, so this first hairstyle, I'm just doing a blonde bun, and I have my hair in a bun already on top of my head. And I'm just wrapping some weave that I bought for like $10 from the beauty supply store. Okay, so now I'm just back combing or teasing the hair just so it can create a perfect shape. And then I'm just combing over it. I was combing over it to get it smooth, to get ready to put in my bun. And I just wrapped it around itself and tried to tuck it underneath so it can be lifted off of my head. I feel like that makes it look a little bit more natural. So that was it. Okay, so look, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know how to explain this part, so I'm just gonna tell you some details on the hair and go on about my business. So I just got some beauty supply store hair, some blonde hair, to incorporate it into my braid. Beauty supply store hair, or really braiding hair in general, is messy as fuck. So just be careful. I mean, you're gonna have to sweep guaranteed after you're done with this hairstyle. But I think it turned out really cute. I hope you liked it. Sorry I can't explain. I'll try to link a tutorial, a braiding tutorial, in the description box to help you guys. But now I'm gonna turn up to the music to, you know, man, nigga. Okay, so for this last hairstyle, it's going to be a half up, half down hairstyle using a bob that I got from the beauty supply store for 10% off because it was on the mannequin. So I'm just combing it out, then I'm going to place it on my head, and then I'm going to separate the top from the bottom. I'm going to pull my hair out and brush it up into the rest of the hair, the wig, and put it in a ponytail.
Because you're not that cute, and your hair is uneven, you look dusty.
So then I'm going to take my hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail and pin it. So then the last thing I'm going to do is brush my hair and smooth it to make the ponytail as smooth as possible. So I want to make sure that the ponytail looks natural, so I'm going to use bobby pins, use a whole bunch of bobby pins to flatten that. And you can push the wig a little bit further back. Also straighten the hair a little bit because it was kind of goofy. And that was it.